Follow these steps to add song in Snapchat from Spotify. First, launch your Spotify app. Now head towards the song that you want to share to the Snapchat. Play the song. Now at the top right, you're going to find three dots. Click on that. Navigate to the option Share. Different options will appear. Click on the option Snapchat. Now the link of the song will be pasted to your Snapchat. You can make necessary editings over here using these features of Snapchat. Then you can click on Send to and then send the song. You are unable to add a song, but you are able to add the link of the song. Now whenever someone will click on this link, the person will be directed to the song. By following the same steps, you are able to add other songs as well. At the moment, this is only the workaround. If in the future Spotify makes it possible to add song in Snapchat, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.